stayed up way too late to finish this little guy, but here he is. Cool. Simple little collision avoider detector Arduino bot. So let me reset it. Let's look at everything. Alright, I guess I can tell my dog is very interested in it. Oh, now they're all interested in it. Oh, it is screwed. No, let's try it. There's a little reset, start by there. And I'm just gonna get away. Back up, team. Let's put something in its way. It wants nothing to do with it. That's alright, good one. That's kind of cool. Bazooka, stop. Bazooka, stop. He doesn't. I think he's about to attack it. No, Zook. Get out of here. Hopefully the treads take over the carpet. Hey, they do. That's gonna fall significantly. It's alright, Zook. Anyway, that's all it is. Stop it real quick. Peace.